Welcome to Cash's Fun Show, and today we'll have a very special guest who will be sharing their favorite things they did in Miss Kranau's math class, 6th grade math class of 2025. Hello, my name is Bob. Today I'm going to be telling you my six favorite, or 10, top 10 list of what we did in math in our 2025. Well, we started in 4th grade and all the way to 6th grade, and here I listed over 75 things of what we did. But on my top 10 list, I'll just start from my top 10. 10 I have Quizlet. I really like Quizlet because it helped us study, and I think it helped us really on vocab for tests. Then Pods, it always gave us something to think about every day. It was really easy to have done. But although some kids find it hard, but I thought it was good easy. And now moving on to number 8, the checklist. I think the checklist was actually a really cool thing because we learned we could have learned Chinese, but we learned English, which we already knew, Spanish, French, Japanese, and Swahili. I doubt I can do them all from 1 to 10 now, but yeah, moving on. We did tangerine turkeys. Tangerine turkeys are turkeys. Well, we just made turkeys with shapes like squares, rectangles, rhombuses, and stuff like that. Number 4, the treasure trove day, and we went to taxidermy. So in math class, maybe it was combined classes, but we went down to the treasure trove in the van with Miss Kranau, and then we spent our money with our tickets, and we bought stuff for Christmas and stuff like that. And then after we were done, we went to Todd's taxidermy, and we got hot chocolate and cookies, and then we got to look around downstairs in the basement, and there were a bunch of cool animals and stuff that he's taxidermied. And moving on to number 3, we have the outdoor expo. The outdoor expo we just had was last week on Thursday, and that was the best field trip I've ever been on. We got to do a bunch of fishing, a bunch of other activities, touch snakes. I really came overfeared with that, it was really fun. I recommend everyone should go. Number 2 is the mathematicians. Mathematicians required a lot of work. I thought I did a lot, but I could definitely do more. Those were really fun, especially because you got to do them with partners, and that just really makes everything better. And then for number 1, we have our cooking activity, which I was debating mathematician cooking activity, but we have a cooking activity. So for this, we pick out our recipes, and then we finalize them, and then we have to double them or triple them depending on how many people it serves originally. And then we go to TCC after 2 weeks of studying and stuff like that. And we go there, and then they tell us about their kitchen and what they do. And so her name's Kelly. She was the head cook, and she was really helpful because we could always go ask her questions. She would answer right away. And also the chefs, they were always around to help. We could say we need more flour, and they'd always be there. And when we started eating, it was delicious. I never think that 12-year-olds and 11-year-olds could make that good food, but it was really good. And just a few things that were close to top 10 that I wanted to say was FCC. That definitely helped me do my facts quicker. It's not that I didn't know them, I just do them quicker now. And Fab 4, it's fun because it's always something to tell you. But now I'm going to let Cash's show take over. And that is Bob's stuff.